finished. I've got to cut that window in. Half an hour job. That was that repair that I was telling you about. There's a good 4 or 5 mil step there.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, I'm just going to literally run slitter down it and pull it back flat.
Then retack it.
And re-weld it, yeah.
You know.
It's no, that's not too bad. I've done, nearly done. I've just got a couple more little bits of sanding to do.
Yeah. Bare metal.
Bare metal. All what's going to get bare metal apart from dashboard. All outside.
Yeah. Actually feels quite nice, that, doesn't it?
Yeah. I have to take all windows out and everything.
Only bits. New wing. Be nice to hear a new wing up.
Poppy, what are you doing? Well, these bits. What do you think? All these little pinholes, that one that's been done. Underneath that 3/4, that's been done. Up to bolt line. That's been welded in. All of that's new, and then if you remember inside, upper inner arch, and then just a lot of little holes that
General bits.
just general bits and bobs like here. That's the usual on an upper body half a dozen times.
Ooh.
It's getting there now.